Hi everyone, welcome back to NCERT Tunic. Today we are diving deep into the structure of a pollen grain, those tiny but mighty particles that help plant reproduce. What is a pollen grain? A pollen grain is the male reproductive part of a flower. It carries the male gametes which are needed for fertilization. So it represents the male gametophyte. It is generally spherical in shape. It measuring about 25 to 50 micrometers in diameter. It has two layered wall. The outer one is exine and the inner one is intine. The outer one exine is made up of sporopollenin and the inner one is made up of cellulose and pectin. The sporopollenin is most resistant organic material known. It withstands high temperature and strong acids and alkali. No enzyme can degrade it. It has prominent apertures known as germ pores where sporopollenin is absent. Pollen grains well preserved as fossils because of the presence of sporopollenin. When pollen grains mature, it contains two cells. The first one is vegetative cell and the second one is generative cell. The vegetative cell is bigger in comparison to generative cell. It has abundant food reserve, large irregular nucleus. The generative cell is small and floats in the cytoplasm of vegetative cell. Spindle shape, its shape is spindle shaped with dense cytoplasm and nucleus. In over 16% of angiosperms, pollen grains are shed at two-celled stage. In remaining species, generative cell divides mitotically to give rise to two male gametes before pollen grains are shed. This stage is three-cell stage. Before you go, I've got a quick question for you. Pollen grains are shed at which stage? Drop your answer in the comment below. I will be reading them and might even feature some in the next video. Thank you so much.